What to do if your child is reading out loud and gets stuck on a word. First, have your child read to you out loud. Next, if your child is stuck on a word they are unable to read, ask them to sound out the word. Then ask them to blend or put those sounds together. It might look and sound like this. Dot is not here by the fin. Can you sound out this word? And can you sound it out again? And can you blend or put together those sounds? Fan. Let's reread the sentence. Dot is not here by the fan. It's important to have your child use what they know about letter sounds to figure out the word instead of just guessing.